Okay, Three Little Birds. This is the first song we play at all the Ukulele Society meetings. And here is a way of strumming it. So, one, strum, strummy, 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 strum, strummy, 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 strum, strummy, strummy, strum. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about a thing. 7. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright, be alright. Don't worry about a thing. And C7. And every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, rise with the rising sun. 3 little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright, be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause F little thing gonna be alright. At the end, we go back to that, go back to F. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Again to F. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Okay, that's it. I play it with bar chord shapes so I can get that sound. And we'll talk about that another time. Got it.